Good morning everyone. In previous class we will multiply algebraic expression. In this class we have to learn how to divide algebraic expression. Okay. By algebraic expression we have to divide monomial by monomial, monomial by monomial and binomial by monomial. Okay, there are specially two types of division in this topic: monomial by monomial and binomial by monomial, and some more question related to trinomial by monomial division or more than trinomial by monomial division. Okay, so firstly we will see what is the working rule for this topic and how we apply working rules on the question. Okay, so first case, divide of monomial by monomial. Step first, divide the corresponding coefficient to get the coefficient of answer. Step 2, divide the variables, use law of exponent if variables are same. Okay, here only one laws of exponent use, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. ओके, अगर बेस सेम है तो डिवाइड के अंदर अपर पावर में से लोअर पावर, अपर पावर में से डाउन की जो पावर होती है वो क्या होती है, सब्ट्रैक्ट होती है. ठीक है. डिवीजन बाय बायनोमियल बाय मोनोमियल टाइप ए प्लस बी बाय सी. राइट ए प्लस बी बाय सी एंड as a by c plus b by c. Step, use case first for finding a by c and b by c. Now we can also divide trinomial by monomial case first and case second. For example, there are three term in numerator. So for example, a plus b plus c divided by d, then we can use a by d plus b by d plus c by d. Similarly, there are four terms in numerator and one term in denominator, that is a plus b plus c plus d divided by e, then we can use a by e plus b by e plus c by e plus d by e. Okay, now there are some important note: divide and divisor into quotient plus remainder. When the dividend and divisor have the same sign, the quotient has plus sign. When the divided and divisor have opposite sign, the quotient has negative sign. This is, for example, 8 divided by 2. So 8 is positive, 2 is positive, we get 4 is positive. Or in other case, minus 8 divided by 4, 8 is minus, 2 is positive, so we get minus 4. Okay, now we will start. Divide 54a4 by 18a3. This is monomial, this is monomial, so we apply first. ओके, नाउ फर्स्टली वी हैव टू डिवाइड नंबर बाय नंबर. 18 डिवाइड करेगा 3 पे, उसके बाद a4 अपॉन a3. सो द क्वेश्चन, सो द लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट यूज. ए बेस सेम, पावर क्या होंगी, सब्ट्रैक्ट 4 माइनस 3a, सो आंसर इज 3a. ओके, आंसर इज 3a. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 8th सेकेंड. 24x6y8 divided by minus 6x3y square. So we can write this. Firstly we have to divide 24 by minus 6, we get minus 4. Now then again second case, x6 divided by x3, we get x6 minus 3 x3. Now in last case, y8 divided by y2, we get y8 minus 2 y6. So the for dividing this we get minus 4x3 y6. Okay, now example number 9. On dividing minus 96 p square q7 r4 by 12 p qr, the quotient obtained is. So we can apply same method. Firstly, solution. Firstly we divide minus 96 by 12. Firstly we write this type. Now minus 96 by 12 minus 8. Now p square divided by p. So p 2 minus 1 1. So p की power 1 p. Now q7 divided by q. So 7 minus 1 6 q6. Now r4 divided by r, we get r3. So when minus 96 p square q7 r4 divided by 12 p qr, we get minus 8 p q6 r cube. Now divide this term by this term. This is binomial, this is monomial. So we can use the formula a plus b divided by c, a by c plus b by c. Now divide each term of the dividend by the divisor, we get quotient this is a, this is b, this is c. So we can write this a by c plus b by c. Now firstly 5 डिवाइड करेगा माइनस 10 को, कितना आएगा माइनस 2. हेयर एक्स की पावर 3 एक्स की पावर 1, सो वी गेट x3 माइनस 1 x2. हेयर y टू द पावर 5 y टू द पावर 1, तो 5 माइनस 1 4 y टू द पावर 4. हेयर एक्स वाई कम्प्लीटली कैंसिल, 5 डिवाइड करेगा 6 पे. क्लियर. नाउ दिस इज ट्राइनोमियल. A, B, C, and this is D. So we can use A by D plus B by D plus C by D. Here is minus sign, so no, don't worry. Now 8A cube B4 minus 20A4 B5 plus 48A6 B6 divided by 4A square B4. We can write this divided as 8A cube B4 divided by 4A square B4 minus 20A4 B5 divided by 4A square B4 plus 48A6 B6 divided by 4A square B4. Firstly 4 divided 8, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, B4 cancel. Minus 4 divided by minus 20 divided by 4, that is minus 5, A 4 minus 2, ठीक है, B5 minus 4 plus 4 12, A6 minus 2 into B6 minus 4. So we get 2A1 B की पावर 0, B की पावर 0 क्या होता है 1 minus 5A square B1 plus 12A4 B square. So we get 2A. If any number has power 0 then it is 1. So here we get only 2A minus 5A square B plus 12 is 4B square. So this is your topic, how to divide a monomial by monomial, a binomial by a monomial, and a trinomial by monomial, or some special case that is question may contain 4 terms and denominator contains only 1 term. So we can use similar method. Okay, thank you, have a good day.